Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Bushra Khan and I am from EAM Grammar School and College. Today we are going to study chapter 4, cells are tissues, and the topic is cellular structures and their functions. In learning outlines we have first cellular structure, that is cell wall, and the second one is cell membrane. The subtopics which comes under cell wall are introduction, function, chemical composition, types, and cell wall of fungi and cell wall of prokaryotes. On the other side we have cell membrane. The subtopics includes introduction, function, we have chemical composition, then we discussed fluid mosaic model and eukaryotic cells. First of all we have cell wall. Introduction. The cell wall is a non-living strong component of the cell and it is located outside the plasma membrane. Not all the living organisms have cell walls around their cells. For example, in animals and many animals like protist. Means in animals and protist organisms, cell wall is absent, and in plant cell wall is present. Now come to the function of cell wall. It provides shape, strength, protection and support to the inner living matter that is actually called protoplasm of the cell. Then move towards chemical composition. Plant cells have a variety of chemicals which are actually incorporated in their cell walls. Then we have types. We have primary wall and secondary wall in cell wall. Primary wall is actually called the outer layer of the plant cell wall and it is composed of commonly cellulose. And in secondary wall it is the inner layer and it is composed of lignin and some other chemicals. Then we have a term plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata is a term that describes that pores are present in the cell wall of adjacent cells through which their cytoplasm is connected. These pores are actually called plasmodesmata. In cell wall of fungi, cellulose are not present and variety of chemicals are present. For example, chitin is present in the cell wall of fungi. Now what is the composition of cell wall of prokaryotes? Prokaryotes have a cell wall composed of peptidoglycan chemical, that is a complex of amino acids and sugar. Then we have cell membrane. All prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells have a thin and elastic means flexible cell membrane covering the cytoplasm. We have some functions of cell membrane. What are actually those functions? First of all, they act as semi-permeable barrier means they allow few molecules to pass through it. The second function is that cell membrane maintains the internal composition of the cell. When certain chemicals or the required chemicals come inside the cell, the internal composition of cell is maintained. The third function is that it senses chemical messages and identify other cells. Then we have chemical composition of cell membrane, means cell membrane is composed of proteins and lipids in large amount and carbohydrates in small quantities. Electron microscopic examination of cell membranes have led to the development of fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. In fluid mosaic model, according to the model, first of all we have lipids. There is a lipid bilayer, means lipids are present in two-layer form in which protein molecules are embedded. The lipid bilayer gives fluidity and elasticity to the membrane. This is the function of lipid. Then we have carbohydrates. Small amount of carbohydrates are present and they joined with proteins and other lipids of membrane. The third thing which is present in fluid mosaic model of cell membrane is cholesterol. In eukaryotic cell, cholesterol is also present in lipid bilayer. Then we have eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, many organelles, especially mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum are bounded by cell membrane. Now come to the diagram which is present in your textbook. See, the blue ones are glycoprotein and glycolipids. The yellow ones are also proteins. Outside of cell, these are the lipid bilayer, two layers of lipids. Cholesterol molecules are also present. Proteins are also embedded. So these things represent the fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. Thank you.